If you're feeling overwhelmed as a parent or questioning if you're doing the best job you can be for your child, you're not alone. In fact, those are the questions I get asked the most by parents in my personal life as well as in my private practice. My response is usually something like, you're probably not messing it up, and the fact that you're asking these questions means you're probably not getting it wrong. And there's always room for improvement. I'm Oliver, and I'm a family systems therapist, and I've been working with parents, teens, and families for my entire career, and I love helping people grow great relationships with their self, with others, and their family. Family systems therapists like myself believe that all of your relationships can improve when you start looking here within yourself, and the same is true for parenting. Now, these are the 4 dials of parenting that I talk a lot about. And no matter what your style or approach is, you will have some level of input on all 4 of these dials. Now, when you understand the dials and your parenting style and the various ways this can impact your child, then you can decide if you want to change the setting on any of these spectrums. I often find that even just a small adjustment can make a significant impact to your relationships and your child's well-being. And I've seen and helped countless parents just like you improve their parenting skills and build stronger, healthier relationships using the principles of family systems theory. All of this can start here by taking the parenting style quiz. And if you're interested in knowing more about how I work, about family systems, you can sign up for our email list, and I'll teach you more about family systems and the way my people patterns helps people grow great relationships.